Hi there, my name is Marla Neufeld, and this is Zeke. Say hi, Zeke Boo. Hello. Today, Zeke and I are going to speak about when can an intended parent return home after the birth of their baby via surrogacy. And so, at first I'm going to speak about domestic parents. So as soon as the baby is discharged from the hospital, which really just depends on medical circumstances, and when the hospital feels that the child is ready to go home, it could be overnight, it could be 2 weeks or more. So that's kind of a case-by-case basis. But if a birth occurs in Florida, the intended parents can go home domestically as soon as the hospital discharges them. They don't need to wait for the final court order or any kind of consents from the surrogate before they can hop on a plane in a domestic flight and travel back home. Now, for international intended parents who are coming to Florida for surrogacy, that is a little bit different. So intended parents who are international do need to wait for the birth certificate to be issued so that they can apply for a passport. I would say most international intended parents do seek out US passports, which do require the Florida birth certificate, but typically any kind of passport documentation from a consulate or from anything else that allows international travel does require that birth certificate. So intended parents need to understand, who are international, how long will it take from the date of the birth to obtain that Florida birth certificate so then they can go and apply for a passport. And the second kind of consideration is, how long is it taking to get passports? Because during COVID, there were very long delays, very limited circumstances to get quick passports. So it's important to analyze this, especially for international intended parents, what kind of travel delay there may be, to make sure that an international intended parent has the legal ability to be within the United States as far as their visa or whatever other travel documents allow, to be here with enough time to care for the child, to wait for the birth certificate, and to wait for whatever passport they need to get back home. So if you have any other questions regarding the surrogacy process, the travel process, matters related to Florida law regarding surrogacy, I'm happy to speak with you. Please feel free to reach out. And it was my pleasure speaking to you today, and Zeke too. Mwah. Bye.